Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on this trending GELE that I saw on Instagram, so I decided let me do the tutorial for you guys. So I'm using this GELE. It's called Owu GELE. I don't really know what people see in this GELE. I don't know. To me, I don't really like the GELE. If they dash me this GELE for free, I'll tell the person thank you, I did not want. I don't really like, maybe it's because of those, you've seen this thing that I'm saying, but those thread, I don't really, it didn't really make me to really love that GELE, but some people really love it too, but to me, it's not my thing. I don't really like the GELE, so I'm just using it to create this style that I saw on Instagram. The GELE is very easy. You can use paper GELE to create this style also. So do let me know if you want me to do a DIY GELE style of it on my head. Let me know in the comment section below. So I'll just be using office pin to pin it down there. Then use another office pin to pin it down there also. So if you are using your office pin, please be careful not to hurt your client or your model. You have to be very careful. So now I'll just be creating like ruffles. It's not even more of like ruffles. This style is just that you can just create anything. So just look at the way I'm creating it, guys. To me, the thread did not really make the GELE to come out very well, or else in the GELE is really fine, but the thread, if I know, I could have just used plain GELE to tie it. So I'm still using office pin. Just look at the way I'm going to do that side now. So that is that. Your baby Joshua is sleeping, so I said let me quickly do all this GELE. One day I filmed like 5 GELE or 6 GELE down. This day that I'm doing this GELE, I filmed like 5 GELE down or 6, because I know myself, your baby, itty daddy, he will not even allow me. So when I see the opportunity that he's sleeping, I say okay, let me quickly do all this tutorial. And I thank God I finished the tutorial like this. After like 15 minutes, your baby wake up. Hey. So that is it. You guys can see that the GELE is very easy, but it's not even hard at all. It's not hard. So the pin that I'm using is hurting my body. So she was like telling me that mommy, this pin is hurting me small. So you have to be careful if you are using your office pin, not to hurt your model. So that is it about this video. As you can see, it's very easy, guys. Very easy, very simple. You can use paper GELE also. You can use Ankara. That is it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like my video, and also please follow your girl on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, Glam Beauty 30 on Instagram. So that is it about this GELE. Please let me know what you think about this GELE. I love you. Talk to you next.